Well, thanks for stopping by, Pat, Andrea.
No problem.
Oh my,
Nice
look
hat.
at your hat. I really like your hat, Andrea. Well, this is boring work. Yeah, just doing the cap. We're getting down to the final now. We're supposed to get some rain this evening tonight or something, so that'll be good. Yeah, so that's how I cut the cap. Cut them on a triangle so they don't overlap. It's not too thick and bulky there, but anyways, I'll take you up and show you how I do that. Okay, one big sigh of relief now, I tell you. Look. Cap is done. Anyways, roof is done, ready for rain, whatever you want to throw at us. We're ready for it now. Just got to put the chimney up through, finish that, but that's the inside job. And yeah, get the stuff off the thing here. So big relief, big relief. Do a little tidy up now for the weekend. We got some friends showing up probably tonight, tomorrow for sure. And I'm going to try to get some painting in today. It's afternoon though. Just got a buddy just showed up, so we're going to take a break now. Well, look who showed up!
Ah, we made it!
The famous Pat and Andrea. Yeah. The handsome Pat and equally as beautiful Andrea. Welcome to Cod Raven. Welcome to our property.
Oh, we're glad to be here.
Guys are staying for a night, and yeah, hopefully we'll get out and boat after. Yeah. Wind's supposed to die down around noon, so
yeah, that's what I saw.
Yeah, so it should be good. So yeah. So we'll see what we can get into later. Here's Pat and Andrea. They're moving, they're backing down. They're gonna set up tent there. Oh. You know what they say about sex while camping?
What?
Huh? You know what they say about sex during camping?
No. I can wait to hear it.
It's intense.
Oh my god, so cheesy.
What about last night in the cabin?
Oh, intense.
Intense, yeah. Okay, so we're 4 minutes and 35 seconds, and we have it. Voila, voila. Yeah, good.
Almost.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at this box, this Yeti box. I really like it. I really like it, Pat. Nice box you got there. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Yeah, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. You got it, man. Right on.
Perfect.
Okay, we're going out for go a little try of fishing there. We're gonna take Andrea and Pat and try their luck at the harbor fishery.
Yeah.
It's windy, so we can't get into the good spots. We can't. I mean, we can't reveal our good spots to anybody, anyways, right? So we'll try second best. Anyways, we'll see what happens. We got lots of fish here last year, so we'll see what happens. We'll try it again. And we got action. Pat has got something on. Yeah. We'll see what he gets here. Oh, what is that? Flounder. Oh. Wow. First time I've seen that caught here. Oh, that's what's going on. Okay. She's right in behind. Okay. Okay, we got to sort some lines out here. Okay, Andrea's got one on there. What we got? What we got?
It's another flounder.
Yeah, no more flounders. I hope it's not a scopeland. I can see it. Oh, that's a nice sized cod, buddy.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh, nice.
That's a dandy. Okay, hold on, hold on. Okay, we got a show down here now. Andrea's got the biggest one so far, and Pat has got another one. Let's see if he's going to do it here, if he's going to beat.
And you have to catch a cod with capelin and smoke.
Normally, when we fish, he catches the first one. I always catch the biggest one.
Haha.
Oh.
Oh, the suspense is killing us.
Yep.
Where is it?
I'm getting tired. Baby, you want to take the rod?
Yeah. Come on, babe, put some muscle in it.
Oh, he jigged the
it's not that
tail.
big.
Okay, Pat lost.
Yeah.
Yeah, Andrea still got the biggest one.
That's Brian's
Okay,
favorite.
thousands of years old ice. We're going to have a drink, Pat and I.
I'm gonna have a sip.
There you go.
Where's
Okay.
my drink, Brian? Oh. Let's put that on camera. Did you make me a drink?
I
too?
didn't.
Oh.
Happy wife, happy life.
Okay, so next morning, and yeah, they didn't take off in the middle of the night, so that's great. It must have been not too bad, Pat.
We survived.
You survived the night here at Cod Ravenville. Actually, the wind died down. Pat's tent went back to shape, so anyway, they had a decent night, I think. So all is well. A beautiful morning here. They're packing up and getting ready to go move on to the next spot. So we really appreciate you guys coming along.
Yeah.
And you're welcome anytime to come and stay a night, maybe on your way back, whatever. It's up to you guys, but yeah,
a
you're
good
always
time.
welcome. Yeah, for sure.
Good time.
Yeah. And yeah, Miss Penny, she don't mind having company, eh? Well, thanks for stopping by, Pat, Andrea.
problem.
And you guys are, oh my,
Nice
look
hat.
at your hat. I really like your hat, Andrea. That's good. Looks really good on you. You're welcome to come by at any time. On your way back, I don't know what your plans are, but on your way back.
I may have to come back just for your shower.
There you go. Aha. She enjoyed the shower, and I think Pat did too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah. And I hear the loo at the view was pretty good as well.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, good. All right, awesome. So yeah, we're always we're welcome to have company. So
Perfect.
if you want to ditch some of the other plans on the way back and come back here, that's fine. We're great.
We may
with
well do that.
Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Yeah. Miss Holly, good morning.
Good morning. Where's my hat?
Okay, we'll let these guys pack up so you have to hit the road. They got another. Okay, that's it for this visit. Pat and Andrea is driving away here now, so they had a good time, I think. And yeah, it was great having them, and we encourage them to come back at any time. So yeah, they're off to the next adventure. Be sure to see them over at Ashley Hand's. Ashley's Outdoor Off-Grid Adventures. I think that's where we're headed next.
There we go. Oh, he's pretty good. He knows how to drive. He knows how to drive. Hey, Pen. Yeah. Yeah, he knows how to drive. Now our friends are gone. We just got used to them.